Welcome back, friends. Let's see another most important database scenario. We frequently face this scenario. Uh, this seems very simple, but a little tricky. Let's work on that scenario. So let me share my screen. So the scenario is like this. There is an input is a list of emails. Or it might be list of users, list of employees, list of orders. So the expected output is this list contains the duplicates. See, if you observe this list, right, there are few duplicate emails. Raju at gmail.com is 2 times and geeta at hotmail.com is also 2 times. So whichever the duplicate entries, those one we need to find out and we need to list a separate array. Like this is a duplicate emails in the entire list, right? If CC only 4 or 5, maybe two, if you have array of 1,000 or 500 elements, in that you need to find the duplicate elements from that, right? So in that scenario, it is quite useful. So what is the logic to extract the duplicates from an input array? There are multiple ways. I am defining 2 ways over here. If you find any way that is quite efficient and easy, please comment in the comment box. So that may be useful for others also. Okay, so whatever comes to mind, I'm drafting over here. So what I want to very straightforward technique is we'll take one email and check how many times that email present in the list. Okay, we'll count it. If it is more than one, I treat as duplicate and return that email. Okay, this is very straightforward one. So what I'm doing as a function, writing a function dupe emails. It take an email. Okay, input is email, and I'm iterating. I'm checking this if payload dot email count by. I'm counting the entire in the input array count by. So here a dollar represents each entry from the input. Dollar is equal to this email. So I'm checking the input list, right? This email. So this entire thing and put in one. This email is greater than 1. Then if it is more than 1, it returns the email, else it returns the null. Okay. It's a very simple function defined over here. Now I'm checking, I want to check this function, how it works. So dupe email, and I'm passing one ramu at gmail.com. Okay. So I got, means it is duplicate one. If I pass any other raja at gmail.com, let's see what it returns. It returns only one time. It's not more than one. Just want to test it out. So our returns null means it is not a duplicate. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm iterating over the input payload dot email. Okay. Payload dot email map. Here the item represents so user, something like user. What I'm doing is the email is the right one because we are doing payload.email, right? Then get dupe emails. I will pass the email, means the list, right? So now I got each element go inside this ramu dot go inside the function, and if it is duplicate, it returns it. So Ramu will return, Geeta will return, Raja won't return, Krishna won't return, again Geeta will return, and Ramu will return. So there are 4. Now it contains the multiple, right? Just I have to apply distinct operator on top of this. distinct by, sorry, not divide by, it is distinct by. So by item I can. So this is one straightforward manner to extra duplicates. Another one, using the data view, we can do that using data view expressions. Like the logic is like this. I want to group all these things with the emails. Okay. So for that, I'm using group by operator. The payload, right? Payload group by this, I'm naming the user dot email. So what see, for each email, how many times it is represented? See, if it's Ramu, 2 times it came, Geeta, 2 times it came, Raja and 1 time, and Krishna 1 time. So now what I want to do, I want to filter the entries which has more than two values. Okay. So for that, there is a appropriate filter object is appropriate function. Filter object where filter object where size of value greater than 2. Sorry. Filter object where size of value, one sec, greater than 1. Sorry, not 2, greater than 1. Now, I got, sorry, greater than 1, right? I got 2. This is a 2 or greater than 1. Means this duplicate answer. Now, I can use the plug operator to get the keys. Key. So I got the distinct, right? There's 2 ways we can do that. And if you find any other way that's quite efficient, please comment it out. Thank you. Let's meet with another database scenario.